practical suggestions for creating competitive affiliate marketing campaigns. You want information about affiliate marketing and you would like to have it in an easy to understand format. If this is the case, this video will be perfect for you. We will lay out some of the most important tips and guidelines, in a way that you can quickly digest. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. To be paid fairly, check if the affiliate marketing program you joined keeps their statistics up to date. Good statistics should tell you how many people visited the website, how many of them bought something, and how many of these sales you are responsible for. If the numbers do not seem right, perhaps the program is hiding information from you. Investing in a personal organizer is a great tip to use if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. Even if you're only using the organization features on your cell phone, you should make a note of your tasks, your schedules, your meetings, and other important information you will need to know about at any given moment. With the proper email tracking software, an affiliate can tell if his or her mail has been opened by the recipient. If it hasn't, you have two good options here. You can simply resend the mail again and hope they open it, or you can change the subject line to a more attention-grabbing title. Provide good quality, useful content on your affiliate website. If you provide visitors with well-written, helpful videos and product reviews, they will be more likely to trust you. Once you have earned the trust of your website visitors, you have a much better chance of persuading them to buy a product via your affiliate link. If you have a rapport with the people who visit your website, you can boost the performance of affiliate marketing by making personal endorsements. This does not work for all webmasters. If you run the kind of site where visitors get to know and trust you, though, your visitors may respond well to an honest endorsement from you. In conclusion, we have provided you some of the most crucial aspects regarding affiliate marketing. We hope that you not only were able to learn something, but also will be able to apply it. Follow this advice and you will be one step closer to being an expert in this subject. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.